Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn more XPs on Dress to Impress for the Baddie Pass. So to do that, you're going to actually go to Style Showdown and play a few rounds. So one round is like you earn 100 XPs, and that's only one round, not the whole entire game. So make sure you do that, and playing the rounds will give you 300 shells as well if you play 10 rounds. So make sure you do that, and the rounds are super short, so I think it's really good, and you'll get 300 shells from that. So make sure you play Style Showdown now, and yeah, have fun. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.